Spotting equipment issues before they become problems has never been easier with the CAT Central app. See how better insights and timing can lead to longer equipment life. Turn on push notifications to stay up to date the moment something happens to your equipment through service recommendations. These outline the impact of the issue while providing a repair recommendation with parts tailored just for the job. Add parts directly to your cart and check out seamlessly. Meanwhile, keep a pulse on the action around your job site with insights powered by VisionLink. Quickly check your equipment's fuel or charge levels and location in seconds. On the CAT Central homepage, you can also find an aggregated health summary for all your equipment. Plus, navigate directly to VisionLink from the CAT Central app. This way, you can support your full fleet of operations with more actionable insights. Discover how you can extend equipment life with CAT Central.